I guess this was bound to happen. As you just heard, I have to do a voiceover because I just got the GoPro Hero 8 Media Mod, and I guess I didn't have the setting correctly. You would think it would be pretty straightforward with how you use it, that when you plug in a mic, the mic would take precedence over any other audio. Nope, I guess I had to select to use the back of the GoPro, and then when I plug in the mic, then that takes precedence that it's using the back and not the Media Mod microphone. Confusing. They don't provide you any directions or guidance in the manual that comes. It's just legalese and how to put the GoPro in the case, which is pretty straightforward. If you can't figure out how to put the GoPro in the Media Mod case, you probably shouldn't be doing any action sports, because I'm afraid you wouldn't be able to, do them. You'd be a liability, really. So anyways, as you can see, I have to do a voiceover because the Media Mod apparently needed fine-tuning, which today's ride is a lot better. But there was stuff from this ride that was awesome, showcasing my second outing with the Beta 150cc. That's what I'm calling it now because it has the big bore kit. So it worked really well. So this little video is just a complaining video. I wanted to say the B word, but let's try to keep it clean for the kiddos out there. This is not an easy product to just plug and play. I'll actually have to make another video just to show the settings that seemed to work today when I checked the video from today's ride. So luckily I got that sorted out, and yeah, let's go ahead and render this, and watch out for GoPro's add-ons. They don't quite work as advertised. Take care all, and stay well, my friends. Bye.